I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both phone and machine for a secure link. Open the Cfmoto app, sign in, and grant Bluetooth and location permissions. That lets the app discover the vehicle. Next, put the vehicle into accessory or run mode so its module is awake. Once done, tap Add Vehicle in the app and follow prompts to search for nearby Cfmoto units. This step connects the app to the vehicle's Bluetooth controller. The why is simple. Discovery and permission are required for secure pairing. Once the app finds your vehicle, select the matching VIN or device ID and confirm the numeric code on both phone and dash if prompted. This verifies you're connecting to the correct machine. Then, grant additional permissions such as notifications and background, refresh so tracking and alerts work reliably. After pairing, name the vehicle for easy identification, choose sharing or safety options, and save the configuration. Make sure to review settings. That's how you control what data the app reads and what notifications it can send. To finish, test core features like location tracking, remote actions, and diagnostics so you know the connection is live. If the app prompts for a firmware update, install it and then restart both the vehicle and the app to finalize the link. Make sure real-time updates appear in the app. That confirms full communication. If anything goes wrong, try the most reliable troubleshooting. Toggle Bluetooth, reboot your phone, clear the app cache, and repeat pairing. This resolves most connectivity hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.